What is the question? It is given. Show that cot 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta over 2 tan theta. That is the first bit, right? You did the first bit correctly. Cot 2 theta, tan theta, you did it. Yes, correct. Next one, second bit, verify that x is equal to tan theta. Verify x is equal to tan theta and x is equal to minus cot theta, or satisfying the equation x square plus 2 cot 2 theta into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means what you have to observe, if you keep this tan theta in this given quadratic equation, it should be equated to 0. Isn't it? Satisfying means that only, no? Suppose if you take any equation x square minus 5x plus 6, any quadratic equation, I am saying that 2 is satisfying this equation is means what? If you substitute the value of 2 in that quadratic equation, if you get the function 0, then it is a satisfying the condition, right? Isn't it or not? So now here you kept x is equal to tan theta, so you proved 0 is equal to 0. That is also okay. And x is equal to minus cot theta, you kept 0 is equal to 0. That is also fine. Got it. Last one. Last one you did only.
Wait, I think I still lost points. Wait, I think I have my test. I think I still lost points on the second question though, and I don't remember why, but I think I did.
No, it didn't lose. They kept the correct there.
No, okay.
Both x is equal to tan theta, correct? X is equal to minus cos theta, you prove that it is 0 is equal to 0. Correct.
Okay.
And one more thing is, should not write 0 is equal to 0. Okay. It's
just in case, to make sure he gets it.
Okay, right? That's fine. Okay, there you got marks. Next one coming to tan, hence or otherwise show that exact value of tan pi by 12 is equal to 2 minus root 3 they are asking. This here you did wrong in this question. There you lose the marks. Okay. See, generally already you wrote that tan 2 theta is equal to how much? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay.
Yeah.
That means in the place of theta, what you have to keep? See, you want tan pi by 12. You know this formula. So if I keep 2 theta is equal to equate to pi by 12, what is your theta? Pi by 24, right? Isn't it? That means here, in which way you can do it means here, tan pi by 12 means, wait, pi by 12 means what's the value? 180 divided by 12. How much it is? 15 degrees, right? Correct? 15 degrees. Now, how can you write, don't come this one. How can you write this 15 degrees? I will write like this. Agree? Now, what is hence or otherwise means you have to prove this from this only, or otherwise you can use the formula of tan of a minus b. Do you know this formula?
Yeah, 1 second.
Tan
I have it in my booklet thing.
Tan of a minus b formula.
Tan of a plus b is tan of a
plus tan of b. Yes, exactly.
Plus tan of b over 1 minus tan of a.
Now see, tan of pi by 12, they're asking the answer. Tan of pi by 12 means tan how many degrees? 15 degrees. Okay. Now you can write tan 15 degrees as 45 minus 30, or you can write it as an tan 60 minus 45. Both. You can write in any way. Why? Because we know both the values, no? So, so tan of a minus b means what's the formula? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Correct? Now here, A is equal to, I'm taking this one.
A is
A is equal to 45 degrees. B is equal to 30 degrees. So tan A minus tan B means tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Okay. 180 divided by 12 is 15 only, no? 12 ones are 12. Yeah, 60.
Yeah.
Correct. 15 degrees on. Now, what is tan 45? 1.
It would be 1 minus 1 over square root of 3.
1 over root 3 by
over 1 plus
1 over root 3.
1 over 3.
Got it. That means what you will get? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Isn't it? Why? Because this square root 3, I'm just writing multiplying root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, which is in the denominators. Shall I write like that? I won't skip that question. Skip that step. I write like I understood your expression. That's why I asked the students to on the camera. Why? Because while seeing your face expressions, we can understand whether you understood or not. Okay. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Agree? LCD, you are taking root 3. So you will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Correct? See, normally minor A minus B by C means how will you write? AC minus B by C. Isn't it? Not, how will you do the fractional part? Root 3 times of 1 minus 1 by root 3. Or what is your LCD? Root 3, right? So you multiply by root 3 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Denominator same. So you will write down root 3 minus root 3. Okay?
Yeah.
Understood? By this one is root 3 plus 1 by root 3.
Yeah. Okay.
When you write the denominator, shift, reciprocate it, you will get into root 3 by root 3 minus 1. Correct?
But then you can cancel out the
root 3. Instead of, I'm not writing this step, I'm straight away directly cancelling like this. Okay. So finally, what you will get? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. But your answer is not that one. They're asking to prove that it is 2 minus root 3.
Yeah.
That means you have to rationalize the function with root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1.
Oh. Okay.
Rationalization means you have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator means what is the value you are having? You have to keep the opposite value and you have to rationalize. Okay. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So what you will get? Root 3 minus 1 whole square by, this is A plus B times of A minus B. Isn't it?
Yeah, so it's A squared plus B squared.
Minus B squared.
Minus B squared, yeah.
That means it is root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. Now what is A minus B whole square?
A minus B squared. Well,
A
it would
square minus 2AB plus B square. That is root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 plus 1. I'm expanding this one.
Yeah.
Lera, am I going fast? Are you able to understand?
Yeah, I can. Yeah. I can keep it.
So root 3 whole square is 3.
Yeah.
3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2 root 3. Okay. That is.
But then you can simplify. You can simplify by 2.
3 minus 1. That is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. You take 2 common. 1 second, my dear. 1 second.